In this tutorial, we'll look at when to use the root or HTML selector in CSS. Usually what people do is they select the HTML element. So you can use its tag name. You can also use :root. This will select the root element, which is the HTML element in an HTML document. So this is pretty much the same as just selecting by tag. But if you have a clash for whatever reason, then this one has higher specificity. Root is a little bit more powerful in terms of specificity. Now I'm just going to use HTML because everyone knows what this is. By the way, if this was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Also, check out my courses on CSS and JavaScript if you want to take those skills to an advanced level. Because in there, we will build some beautiful real-world projects from scratch so you can see how everything fits together and really master CSS or JavaScript. And I will also release other courses soon like React and Node.js. So if you want to be notified, then make sure you are subscribed to the email newsletter. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you soon.